Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are making Jell-O together, me and you. Alright, and we have these molds right here, Lego molds that we could use for the Jell-O right here. And we have the little Jell-O packets right here.
We have the ingredients to make everything.
And a little cup thing. And we got some hot water right here, but that's... Oh, there we go. Let's go all over.
Yes, the process.
Alright.
So we start with this, and you get hot water, and put it up to right here.
Alright.
Put
the hot water, and we pour it in.
Here.
To 2/3. Where's 2/3?
Yeah, we
pour it into 2/3 right here. You can see it. I don't think you can see it right now.
You can. All right.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of see it. Okay. But yeah, it's 2/3. All right, so pour it in. Oh, you want to pour it in? Yeah. Sure, it goes to 2/3. It's almost 2/3. Here. All right, we got the hot water poured with 2/3 right here.
Yeah, and it's
see that it's steaming right there? Yep. A little smoke coming out. All right. So what goes next is this.
This, and we get
the Jell-O packets right here. We already opened the blue one. Yep. And we already got two.
Sorry, Christmas.
Alright. So we pour some hot water in there.
Oh, we pour hot water in here. Here. Oh, that's hot.
Alright. And be careful.
You want to do the blue or red?
I don't know which one this is.
This is
that one first. Oh, blue.
Here. Yeah.
Alright. So we get the whisk and we mix it. And we mix it. Here. We'll show you that right there.
So you have to mix it until you can't see
until you don't see any particles at all.
Yeah.
And we'll be right back in a little bit. Alright, we got another cup of hot water, another 2/3 cups of hot water, and we hold on, let me get the mix out. And we pour the hot water in another one right here. Like that. Sure, I pour it all in there. And I got some red Jell-O right here. Try to get it out.
Okay, show them. Be careful.
There it is. That's the red Jell-O right there. See that? And I pour all of it. I pour all of it in. All of it. The whole packet.
I think I...
Yeah, you can. I'll throw it out away later. Alright. And then we start with whisking it. Start shaking it like this.
Yeah. Oh, show them.
You gotta do it like this. Let's show them the other one.
I should do it.
That's what it's supposed to look like. And that's what mine is gonna look like too. So we'll be right back later.
Alright, my brother's working on mixing that, and
right there.
While he's doing that, you have to do something like this, so it won't stick on, and you have to go like that a little. Don't pour too much. Don't pour too much, alright? Do it on all of them, and don't put too much, alright? And here's the first one, and we're gonna put the Jell-O on after my brother's done, alright? So yeah. So my brother's almost done with whisking it. Yep. Right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna do it for the rest of them on here.
These are already done. So mine's
for these. Yeah, yours is done.
Alright, mine's done right now. Oh shoot, I don't wanna show you guys that. Yeah.
There you go. There you go, like that. That's how you do it.
Yeah, and just wait for all the bubble things to go away.
Yeah, wow. And then you could do this. You put some of it.
Did you already do that?
Yeah, I put the camera.
Alright. We're going to do another one of this, but my brother sprayed on these after he's done with that one right now.
It's just like putting spray paint on here.
Alright, my turn. Spray it on here, but not too much. And you make sure you do it on all of them too. Here. We'll be right back. Alright, after all the Jell-O has been dissolved in the pans, then you put the Jell-O in the molds. And what we just sprayed on here, the molds right here, we pour it on here now. Alright, take that whisk out right here real quick. Hold on.
You gotta go.
Paper towels real quick.
Gotta go gently. Like that. Do it gently.
You're gonna need some paper towels. Got another one for him. There you go.
Just leave it there.
Oh. Then you get the whisk out and just put it on here so it won't spill anywhere. Alright. So we got the mold and we're going to pour the Jell-O in here. And do it gently.
There you go. Do it how I did it.
Like that. Like that. That's how it's supposed to look like. And we're going to do another one right here. And we do it like that. That's how it's supposed to look like. And we'll be right back after we fill all of them right now. Alright guys, we put all the Jell-O in and that's what it's supposed to look like. It's not freezed yet.
Here.
That's that.
Yep.
It's not freezed yet, but we're going to put it in the freezer in a little bit. So yeah, be right back. Alright guys, we didn't have enough Jell-O powder for the other one,
This one?
yeah, this. But we have something else. We have this. You can get this at the Mexican store or something. And we're going to use this for our last one right here. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing what we did to the blue and the red ones right here.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll be right back and no one wants to see all that right here. Alright guys, we're going to do the same thing we did with the blue and red one, but this time we're going to be putting 2 cups of this, of 2/3 of them. And I'll fill it up again. Where is it? There it is. Where's 2?
2. I got 2.
There it is. Put a little more. Alright, that's about it.
Yeah.
We put this in here. God, that's steamy. Alright. And we get another one. This is the last one right here. God, this is so steamy right here. Alright, that's about it. And and we get another one right here and pour it in again. And now we get the green gelatin right here. And we try to open it.
Swallow that in.
Can't open it at all.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, hold on.
Hello.
Alright, we opened it.
I opened it.
It's in this one right here. We pour all of it in.
Now you.
Alright, now we start with
well, we gotta clean this off.
This one has to be cleaned off too. So
We'll
be
be
right back. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing and mix it up again, just like we did the red and yellow one. This time we're doing green. So, yep.
Smells fresh.
Be right back. Okay, guys, we got some cold water right here, and we're gonna add 2 cups on here. That's what you need to do. You can open it up. Feels cold too. 2/3. Alright. That'll be enough.
Yeah.
And pour it in here.
Yep.
Alright. And we got another one.
Sorry for the noise outside. There's fire going on with it.
Alright, and we add another one to it.
You want me to do it?
As you keep whisking. One bigger. Alright. And he's going to keep whisking it until it all dissolves. Alright, so we'll be right back. Alright, he finished right now, and we're going to use this cup right here to dip it and pour it in these. Alright.
Here, so...
One. Careful.
Oh, okay.
You're not being careful.
Oh, what the...
You're not being careful.
So we're gonna have to pour some of it out when we get finished with this video.
Okay, we're having technical difficulties right here, so we'll be right.
Okay, so we're done with the process of it.
And this is what it's gonna look like.
Apparently, we still have some.
We have the green one right here. We still have some Jello right here left, but that'll be for our little brother. He can eat that for dessert or something.
Or if you subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yep.
Then
It
you
could be
can
for
have
you
it.
guys.
We'll mail it to you.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. So into the freezer we put it.
So don't put it in the freezer. All right. You put it in the fridge. So.
My bad.
Yes, it's his fault. All right. Don't blame it on me. All right. So it's his fault. We're saying
Put it on the fridge.
yeah, fridge.
Not the freezer.
Not the freezer.
The fridge.
Fridge.
That was my bad.
All right. Fridge. All right. So we ran into a problem. We don't have any space in our fridge, but we're gonna try to make some space. So, and you have to leave this stuff for 2 hours. I know that's a long time, but you guys can't wait, and I know, but just like do something, play Fortnite, anything. All right. So, all right. So yeah, we're gonna be bored and do not playing anything and probably play a game. Alright. Alright. We got the space right here.
Don't turn it upside down. They can't see it that way.
Well, whatever.
That way.
Alright, whatever. We got the space and we're putting it in right now.
I got the Jello right here.
The Jello's right there.
Alright. And we're gonna put it in.
Yep.
Gently put it in.
Here you go.
Gently put it in.
Oh. I don't think we're gonna have any space for the other ones.
You can put
Here's
this on top of it.
Here you go.
Do it this way.
Space for the blue one
Yeah.
that you made.
So where are we gonna put this one?
I don't
Put
know.
it on top, but
Alright. So we're gonna wait for that for 2 hours and we're gonna just be playing games on our phones, you know. Like by my phone I can show you what game I'm gonna play.
No. Nobody wants to see that.
Anybody wanna see your games?
No, nobody wants to see that.
And no,
Nobody wants to see it. Nobody wants.
Okay, I hid. I have my phone right here, and I'm gonna be playing the game. Hopefully he doesn't see me recording. And let's see. Yeah, so.
Guys, this is how our Jello ended up. They look wobbly right here, and we had the extra one right here. Look,
Came out bad.
it's all came out bad, but it's all wobbly though. It's still good. Try it.
Here, let me try
Try
it.
a piece.
It's good.
Yeah, I want to try a piece. It's good. Alright then. That was how to make a Lego Jello. So, and we have a Christmas tree right here. It's the month of December. It's almost Christmas. It's around the corner.
Yep.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, and one more thing. Happy holidays, and make sure you subscribe and like this video.
Yeah.
Alright. See ya.
And make sure to share it
Alright.
too.
See ya.
Come on, here, add the wheels on here.
Here.
This
Just
one's going
swap,
first. No. God,
swap it in.
God. This is terrible right here. Look at this.
I'm gonna make a
This
wall.
is a terrible car. This is a terrible car right here.
make a gummy bear.